What's the meaning of chanting? Chanting. Chanting.
Chanting. Chanting. Chanting is the act of repetitively singing or speaking a phrase, word, or sound with a rhythmic cadence. It is often used as a form of meditation or prayer in various religious or spiritual practices. The practice of chanting has been found to have numerous benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving focus and concentration, and promoting a sense of calm and well-being. Chanting can also be used for communal bonding and creating a sense of unity among participants. Overall, chanting can have a profound impact on both the individual and collective psyche.